To me, the coronavirus pandemic has been a great opportunity to do something I was passionate about. I was able to reach a whole lot of people through my webinars and through my counseling. And personally, also 4 of us in the house, a great opportunity to bond and for me to be able to dish out new dishes which I never knew I was capable.
Hi. When Yakuta asked me to talk on the subject of coronavirus and how it changed me, there are many things I wanted to say. It has definitely helped me to see the positives in the situation and the environment. But one particular thing that stood out was to value people and, more importantly, to value life. Looking at the current scenario, one could lose their loved ones at any time, in any way. Although we tend to do simple things, like such as maintaining a gratitude journal or probably getting involved in social work or even do things like meditation, we tend to forget the real meaning, I think, of relationships and living a life. Live each moment to its fullest. This line we know has been used many times before, but it has never been taken as seriously as it should be taken now. Today I understand how apt it is in our lives. We don't know what the future holds. So stay still where you are, breathe, and take in whatever life has to offer. It is also very important to be a helping hand to those who need it. This is essential as life can only be lived once. So why not live it to its fullest?
All this negativity floating around, I have developed the habit of yoga. It keeps me going, it keeps me fit, and also helps me to stay calm. Also, for real fitness, I've actually picked up dancing. I like dancing, but it's just been random stuff. Now I'm actually doing structured dancing so that I can keep fit. I've also learned to introspect. We're at crossroads. There's so much happening around us that one must learn to look at oneself and see which way you want to go forward. There's so much of despondency around that I actually think that I'm really, really grateful, for what we are and what we have. And being the privileged lot of society, I'm actually happy that, we're able to give back to the community, and I'm grateful. Thank you.
Being at home during this pandemic has not been easy for anybody, but I try to use this time positively. I've done a 21-day course of Deepak Chopra. I've done many of these inner wheel competitions. Taking part in them was sure fun. I've also rekindled my cooking skills thanks to Jalpa Shah's cooking classes. I've tried my hand at all kinds of different workouts available online, which has helped me improve my flexibility and my immunity. So we all need to stay strong and positive.
Friends, Hussain Rasai here. Bright side of COVID has taught me to live a life, a good life. A life with my family, to enjoy the similarities and appreciate the differences, to coexist. Friends, the biggest lesson that COVID has taught all of us is to adapt, change and adapt. A new style, a new lifestyle of working and living.
Yakuta gave me this big task. Kari, can you do a video to just explain your thoughts about what was really positive about this lockdown? And whatever Yakuta says, I never not do it. So here it goes. 2 immediate things which I can think of. I think it created a great bonding with the kids. We've never been able to spend so much time with all of them, playing cards, playing board games, and I'm sure all of us can relate with that. Second thing is that it gave me a chance to experiment some few things in cooking, baking, and I'm sure it all started off with less staff being there, but then I started enjoying it. And the third thing, which gave me immense joy, is that I started learning my piano again. I had given it up for many years, though I have a piano at home, but because of lack of time, never got down to doing it. I'm just going to play a little bit here. is what I felt was great fun in the lockdown, but I'm definitely looking forward to all of us getting together soon. So let's pray and hope that God is with us and we are back together at least by the end of the year. Cheers.